I've been staring at myself in this mirror all night. When I was born with hair already on my head. As I got older and the people around me got older, most of the men started losing their hair, but not me. Mine was magnificent, and now it's gone. PCW was mine, but realistically now it's gone. Last night, overall, was a great night for the Cornerstone. Gunnar Miller defeated Shane Marks, and Jeff G. Bailey is so proud of that. Reverend Dan appeared, laid waste to Brian Blaze, let everybody know he was in the Cornerstone, and he's very proud of that. The Carpenter solidified his team for the Revolutionary War Games on July 4th, tomorrow. He's very proud of that. What do I have to be proud about? It's easy to ask yourself a question like that. What should I be proud about? You know, LeBron James is in Cleveland and he won the title, and I'm sure he's proud of that, but at the end of the day, he still has to live in goddamn Cleveland. At the end of the day, I have a wonderful life. This will grow back, but in the time that it takes to grow back, it will remind me of what my purpose is. And my purpose, Matt Hankins, Quasiman Disco, Johnny Danger, I'm gonna put a hit out on one of you putos. July 4th, I'm picking one of you, and I'm going to humiliate you out in public. Hundreds of people watching Revolutionary War Games. I have an entrant on our team. Who's it going to be? Deep down, as much as the people of Porterdale were celebrating what happened to me, they still have to live in Porterdale, don't they? Everyone's gonna pay. Look at me. Look at me. Quasi, Matt Hankins, Johnny Danger, and the people of Porterdale, you're going to pay. Deep down, deep down. You're more scared of me than you've ever been, and you should be. I have been reborn. I am going to get what is mine, and that is PCW. But I have been reborn in spirit. Reverend Dan and Carpenter said it best. We are at war now, and we are not doing anything halfway. But I have been reborn. I am a slave no longer. Do not call me Stephen Platinum. I renounce my slave name of Platinum. Platinum Championship Wrestling is an embarrassment to me until I get it back and remake it in my image. The Cornerstone will take over starting tomorrow on July 4th at the Revolutionary War Games, and I am Stephen Scarborough, stripped down to the bone. I am not ashamed of who I am. I am Stephen Scarborough. Do not call me Platinum anymore until I reclaim what is mine. That's the right thing. That's the right thing. I am free, and you are all my slaves.